When selling digital art prints on Etsy or any other online marketplace or even your own website, one of the most important decisions that you're going to make is what size to offer your art prints in. While there are a variety of sizes to choose from, there are some standard sizes that are what customers come to expect and search for on Etsy, and they tend to be the most popular and widely used. But if you've spent some time Googling this and you're still confused, in this video, I'm going to share with you what are the standard art print sizes that you should be selling your products in on Etsy. Now, one of the biggest ways that you can be successful on Etsy is to offer your art prints in multiple sizes. It might seem like more work at first, but providing these multiple size options to your customers can be a smart strategy for boosting your sales over time. By offering different sizes, you can set yourself apart from the competition and increase your chances of making a sale. Think about the last time that you personally shopped for art online. Maybe you found an image or print that you absolutely loved only to end up abandoning cart and not buying it because it was the wrong size for your home decor or the particular frame that you had planned to put it in. Chances are, if you had the option to purchase that same art print in the size that you were looking for, or if the art print was offered in multiple sizes, you may have gone on to actually make that purchase. And as a seller, offering multiple sizes for your art prints removes that obstacle for many potential customers. So how do you know what sizes to offer? First, we are going to look at some of the most popular sizes from Shutterfly, one of the world's most popular online printing websites for art. Shutterfly says their top 3 print sizes in order of popularity are 8x10, 10x14, and 12x12. Now, I also want to talk about the most popular print sizes on Etsy. Etsy is an international marketplace, so figuring out the most popular print sizes depends on 2 variables. What type of digital prints are you selling and who are you selling to? One thing to keep in mind is that if you're creating for different populations around the world, Americans measure things in inches, and you will see things done exclusively in inches in the United States for US customers. While most other countries, including the UK, Europe, and in Australia, they are all going to be using the metric system. It also depends on the type of product. So let's talk about a few different product types on Etsy and what these standard print sizes are going to be. So if you're selling planners on Etsy, then personal, which is 3 3/4 by 6 3/4 inches, or medium, which is A5 or half letter, or large, which is a US full letter page or 8.5 by 11, are going to be the most popular sizes. So it makes sense to offer your planners in these 3 different sizes if you're going to sell on Etsy. For printables like coloring pages or party games or things that might be put into, a binder or anything standard US sizing, the most popular size is going to be 8.5 by 11 or what is US letter. Now, you can also do 4.25 by 5.5 inches, and this is a half size or half letter. So it means that if you're printing party games, for example, 2 of those half size would fit on 1 US letter printing page. So if you're selling these kind of printables, keep your target customer in mind and know that, most of the time they're going to be printing on US letters. So that is the standard print size that you want to offer. Now, if you're selling digital downloads of your art to US customers, sizing is just as important as the image itself most of the time. The most common sizes for printouts for wall art in the United States are 5x7, 8x10, 11 by 14 inches, and 16 by 20 inches. On the other hand, if you are selling digital art to be printed out in the UK, in Australia, or anywhere else in the world using the metric system, the sizing is going to be different. So artists need to be aware, and if you want to sell globally, you need to offer both sizing types. In the UK, sizes are generally listed as A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, and A6, with each letter and number representing a specific size. A3, A4, and 5 are the most popular sizes on Etsy because they are larger. So when you consider what size printable to create, look at what's best selling in the category that you want to sell in. So if you're in a niche that doesn't fall into one of these main categories I just mentioned, planners, kids printables, or other types of printables, and digital art prints, then you're going to want to go look at the best-selling products within your niche and see what sizes your top competitors commonly offer their products in. And here's a pro tip. When you are creating anything that is designed to be printed out by your customers, it's best to design in the largest size and then scale down rather than starting with small and increasing your size because the quality may not increase going from small to large. You should also consider, if you're selling on Etsy, uploading a PDF as your digital product with links to your Dropbox or Google Drive or wherever your customers can then download your digital printable products instead of uploading the actual printable itself to Etsy. This way, if you have multiple file types, your customers can easily just download a single PDF and click the links for each file type or each file size and access each one of those. And then in the PDF file, you can also include things like how to print, how to download, what other products in your shop they might like, how to get on your email list, how to connect with you on social media. There's a lot of other opportunities that you have if you create a single PDF for that product that then links to the downloads for your art prints. And also, if you're including use instructions in that PDF, you're going to eliminate some of the back and forth confusion between customers, any messages they may send you if you give them clear step-by-step instructions in that PDF. And it's going to provide your customers with a better experience overall. A better customer experience means better reviews, which means more sales because your Etsy shop quality score increases when you get great reviews. Remember that whatever you can do to make the process of buying your art prints easier and more straightforward for your customers is going to help you become more successful. And one of the ways that you can do that is by standardizing the sizes that you offer your art prints or other printables in. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you'd like to learn more about how to make money online selling digital and printable products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel.